Okay guys, not the best setup, but I'm in the laundry room and I think I can fit in frame. I'm so excited. So I just got back from vacation and I had a package from the Magical Mixery store. This is an unboxing and you guys, it is Halloween time and this bag just lets you know. Sanderson sisters, so cute. I put a spell on you. Look how fun this bag is. Thank you so much, Sarah. Look at the little book. Oh my gosh, Binks. So cute. And we got all sorts of fun goodies in here. Oh, there's even a cute like little zipper pouch part in the front. Okay, how fun. I see some tickets. I love Halloween. I'm so excited. Ooh, look at these cute little jars. I love the jars. She's got little like white skull beads and the bead runs through on the top of the head, and then these little orange ones. And I just love the little presentation and containers. And then these are little black spiders. How fun and cute. And then she's got you guys, she sells tickets. And then these ones are, of course, Halloween colors. She's got the orange admit one. And then this one is ticket and keep this coupon. You could just layer those up behind embellishments and stuff. She's got fun. I love pom-poms, especially Halloween ones. These are like those little spiky furry ones in the orange, black, and purple. Like you can stick those in packaging and embellish with them. Then we got this guy. She's got a little syringe of a sequin mix. They're green. There's little stars, hollow, cute little ghosties. I think I see bats in there. Is that a bat? I think that might be a bat or a witch on a broom. Moons. So pretty. She's got some fun like orange, white, and a little bit of like a, maybe like a, I can't tell, like a brownie green. It's like a wool, a really soft, look at this, fancy wool yarn. And you can make those cotton candy embellishments with this because it's already like fluffy and smoothed out for you. You just wrap this on like a little stick and you have Halloween embellies. Okay, and then this guy, this bag is loaded. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I love these. And these are like furrier, I feel like, than the ones that I've found. And these are fun Halloween colors though. Cute little like orangey peach, white, and black, but they have a little, you know, eyelet on the top so you can make dangle these. So fun. And then look how cute these little ghosty charms are. They're pink enamel and they're on like a gold plated charm. So cute. And the mouth is shaped like a heart. And then she's got some cute little witch hat ones. Oh my gosh. And then these ones are in orange, the little witch hats. You get 5 pieces with the black. And then these guys, let's see. These are cute little skull, almost like little sugar skulls, but they are charms. As you can see, the like little loop at the top, like a filigree style. Oh, so I thought these were like enamel. These are like they're metal, but then glossy acrylic on the top. So cool. Like little coffin charms. And then these guys, oh, look at these little cats. It's like a scaredy cat, but it's a black glittery green enamel inside. Look how cute their little faces. And then the backside, they are gold. So fun. And these guys are like a little cross and skull, the bones. You see the backside, these guys are silver. And then she's got these guys. These are the glow in the dark little spider webs, the white ones. Again, these are great for embellishing on like rosettes and stuff. And then the black ones. So I think the white ones glow in the dark. Okay, then we got this package. Gosh, how fun. Where did you get these bottles and containers? Look at these. They're like literally little like bottle containers. Look at the little lid. So this is a rest in peace one. It's kind of like those like milk carton things, like shape. She's got bones, skulls, this rest in peace, little white polymer clay. Oh, these little red hearts with like a checker on it. Stars, clears, silvers. Super fun. Love that. And then this one, again, same little bottle shape, but this one has a little ghosty on the top. And this one's got ghosties, yellow, black and white. This kind of looks like Beetlejuicy without the green. I love it. Cute little spiders. I love those orange swirls. The purple swirls. Oh, so cute. And then look at this one, like a little test tube like beaker. Oh, it's so okay, so it screws off. A cute little, oh my gosh, you guys. I don't know if you can see the detail of this stuff. Let me try to catch one. It's a cauldron, but it's got eyes and a mouth and it's like bubbling over in the green. Oh my gosh. So you can see right here, it's got flowers. It's got the purple swirls. Oh, so fun. The orange. Oh, I love the sprinkles, the green sprinkles. Black glitter. She's got a cute little bow on the front that you could reuse. And then this guy, cute little pumpkin container, little jack-o'-lantern, his face up on the side. So this one's very fun. Oh my gosh, look at these candy corns. Little polymer clay bits. She's got the jack-o'-lantern faces, little polka dot sequins, stars, whites, blacks, silver and glitter silver. So pretty. Ooh, I love these mixes. Oh my gosh, another massive bag. Girl. Okay, so let's go over these mixes. Haunted bouquet, and it's got a bunch of cute like little orange and purple flowers in there. And then of course haunted by these little ghosty polymer clay bits. There's stars, polka dot sequins, black. Oh, so pretty. Ooh, and then this one, spooked kitty, and it's got the little cat that's scared, the little jack-o'-lantern faces, purple. Ooh, look at these fun black, orange, and purple like candy swirls. I've never seen that color before with the stars in there. And then this one, Mum's the Word, and it's got a cute, look at the little polymer clay slice. It's a mummy, little green mummy, and then like, you know, the bandage that they're wrapped in. Cute little green confetti mixes in there, blacks, purples, oranges. So fun, girl. You make the funnest mixes. Ooh, and these guys, these cute little jack-o'-lanterns, and they're that like rubbery texture. So I think you could easily add, obviously these as embellishments, but also if you own Crocs, you could buy those Croc attachments and just put it on here and you can pop these into your Crocs or those Croc style beach bags. So fun. And then these are that same material. And these ones say Happy Halloween, and it's got a little witch hat on the happy part. Ooh, love. And then, oh, yep, these are the same texture. That fun rubbery, it's like a spider web with a little spider dangling down. So cute. Oh, look at these fun spiders. So these guys are like a little bit clear, but they've got a glitter to them. And they are in black and purple, like a silver glitter. Ooh, these are so neat. I have not seen these. And they are so tiny and cute, like the size of my pinky nail. Perfect for embellishing. And then these guys are a fun rainbow pastel spider, especially if you don't do like traditional dark Halloweens. Look how cute these little guys. Pink, purple, teal, green, whites, yellows, oranges. So fun. Very sparkly. Look how fun. She's got these in the cute little Halloween test tubes. So this one's got the cat. This one has the skeleton in the pumpkin topper. And she's just got seed beads, little star bits, little, oh my gosh, those ghosties are so tiny. Look how tiny that ghost is. And then this one is Rest in Peace. I love the purple headstone. It's got skulls. Oh my gosh, look at the little ghosty. He has his arms up. Frankenstein. So cute. And then this one, ooh, this one's too dark. Let's see. Look how cute. Oh, this might be the same. Are these all the same? I don't even know. They might be the same mix. I think they are, but the bottles are different colors, so it was throwing me off. So cute. A little trio. It's a cute little glass. It says Rapid Rats, Witch's Grade, and look how fun this sequin mix is. It's got the pink little headstones. This is way cuter than Target ever pulled out. Polka dots, stars. Love, love, love. So fun. And then this guy, oh my gosh. So look how fun this, it's like a hand sanitizer of poison. Oh, I love it. Look at the skulls. I love the like color combo swirls, the pinks. Look at the bigger headstones in purple. She had a little charm and like a little clasp. How fun. And you just obviously unscrew it like that. Oh, so cute. And then these little guys, look at the cat, the skull, and then this one's shaped like a little spider. So this one's got the little cats and the candy swirls with those pop of yellow stars and even these like little pink ones. So pretty. You must be having a blast making these mixes. And then this one, of course, in the skull one is the cute little skull polymer clay, and then the little coffin and rest in peace in there. In the spider one, we've got spiders. Ooh, look at those spider web polymer clay bits in there. She's got mince pinks and then like a glittery silver. Love, love, love. I cannot wait to Halloween craft, you guys. And we are not done yet. Look at all these fabulous trims. We've got this one. It is orange and like greens. Let's see here. Here we go. Pull him out. So you can see it's like an ombre of different greens and oranges. And it's got these fun little like zigzag strands on it. Look how cute that is. Such unique trims. These are perfect for fall and Halloween. And then this one, oh, look at this fun, 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 pretty purple with silver, like the sparkly silver popping out of that. So cute. And then this one, ooh, this one looks very like spiderweb. Cool. Let's see. So it's a fun like tassel-y, but it's got the creepy like black cobweb in it. And it's like an ombre purpley to white. So pretty. And then we got this one. This is that fun. Ooh, it's like a double, almost like a chain link. Every other thing is like a furry little pom-pom in black. Ooh, I like that. And then this one is a cute baby pink. The fun, look at like little tassels hanging down in pink, and there's like an iridescent little strand in there with it. So fun and dainty. This one's called Dark Magic, so these must come together. This one is a fun furry, I can't find the end, but like a sloppy furry, very fun, very Halloween-y. Love that. That's a must. And then this one, look how bright green the eyelash trim is. So cute. And you can even double up, save this, keep it out, and use it for Grinch as well. And then this guy is a fun chenille with like silver specks in it. Super soft, but it's also a thinner one, like a skinnier one. And then we've got this eyelash trim. This alternates like black or purple with some black within it. You see, it's kind of like ombre almost. Ooh, very fun. And then this one, super fun trim, alternating green, black, and purple. And then every like inch, it's got a gold like stripe going down it. This reminds me of Beetlejuice, that snake. Okay, and then we've got candy corn. Look at this. Ooh, I don't think I've seen anything like this one. So this is it's like an eyelash trim, but it's got like thread and then like a plasticky, like sparkly black within it. So it's not glitter, but it shines like it has glitter in it. Ooh, so fun. Definitely a must have. Look at this candy corn eyelash trim. Again, you can use this for Halloween or Thanksgiving. Fall crafting. So yellow, dark orange, and then light orange ombre. And this one is a fun furry white. Again, going with that candy corn theme. And then look how, oh my gosh, this is so dainty. So this one has tiny little squares, like a little fringe square, alternating yellow, orange, and then turning ombre into the white. Again, very dainty, so cute for those dainty projects. And then we got this last trim. Oh, this is like a fun, like the texture. Like if you were to weave this and crochet it together, maybe it would feel like a towel. It's the best way I could describe it. But it's got oranges, greens, yellow, and like a beige color. Very fun for Halloween or fall themed crafting. Thank you so much, Sarah. You guys, this is like the mega Halloween. It's coming for you, ready or not. Oh my gosh, so good. There's so many goodies, you guys. I will leave her store down below, you guys, and go have yourself a blast because Halloween crafting will be here before you know it. Thank you, Sarah.